What is up, everyone? This is Motutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 10 or 11 search bar not working correctly, like basically clicking at the bottom left here and this not opening up, how to basically fix this. So I just ran into this, it's extremely annoying, and I want to show you what to do to fix this. So there's one of two things you can do. You can either go to your keyboard, press the Windows button and R button, and this will pop up, and you want to go into where it says services.msc, and then this is going to pop up, and you want to find where it says Windows Search, right? And you want to basically press stop or restart the service. I would go with restart the service. If you do this and this fixes it for you, great. Problem solved. You don't need to do anything else. The next thing you can do is you want to basically open up Control Panel, which is basically you can do it from either going into settings, and once you're inside here, just searching for index. We're going to write index in this search bar over here, and we're going to go to indexing option. Actually, no, we're not going to go here. We're going to write index, and then we're going to see this thing come up that says Windows Search Settings. Once you're at this section here, scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Run the Indexer Troubleshooter to resolve common search issues. So that's what you want to click. And I actually clicked into this one, but this is most likely your issue. So click Can't Search or See Results, press Next, and it's going to actually find the issue. So something like this, then you're going to do Try These Repairs as Administrator, find it again, press Next, and it's going to basically do this, and it's going to fix it for you. Once you do this, you're going to close it, you're going to click the search again, and voila, it's going to pop up, and you're going to be good to go, and you're not going to have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than you guys out. If you guys ever like the video, please smash that like on the side, guys. New channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And that Motutorials out. Peace.